Are you tired of feeling like you're constantly on alert and carrying the weight of an invisible backpack you can't seem to put down? If you've been struggling with an underlying hum of anxiety, this might be the most important video you watch today. Listen, I get it. Tried all the things, the deep breathing, the meditation apps, the positive affirmations, and they do help for a minute. But the underlying hum of anxiety, it always returns. And I only know that from my own lived experience. You feel like you know logically that you're safe, but your body tells you a different story. You keep wondering why these surface level tips don't create this lasting change that you need. And you have a hunch that your anxiety is connected to something deeper, but the worst part is you're blaming yourself. Here's the truth. It is not your fault, and there is a better way. And that's why I created something called the Calm Code. It's an 8-week psychoeducational group coaching journey, and it is a proven method to gently untangle the roots of your anxiety, befriend your nervous system, and reclaim that inherent sense of inner safety and peace that you've been longing for. Hi, I'm Stacey Uhrig, and after 30 years of navigating my own high-functioning anxiety, I know what it feels like to search for calm. For years, I tried to fix myself using traditional methods that were only addressing these surface-level symptoms. I had 2 nervous breakdowns, and they became my biggest breakthrough. They taught me that my anxiety wasn't a flaw. It was an overworked protector trying to keep me safe. This realization led me to become a certified trauma care practitioner, and I specialize in lasting change using things like polyvagal theory and parts work. I've walked this path, and now I'm here to show you how to do it too. So how do we do it? Well, over 8 weeks, we're going to walk a path of discovery and healing together. First, we're going to build clarity. We uncover what trauma really is and how it lives in the body. We'll also explore what I like to call the invisible backpack of intergenerational trauma and the core beliefs that are holding you back. Next, we're going to do healing work. We use powerful tools from polyvagal theory and parts work to help you shift your system from survival to a state of safety. And you're going to learn how to understand the language of your anxiety instead of fighting it. And then finally, we're going to move into integration. We're going to practice somatic anchors and daily regulation practices to help you create this internal safety and reclaim that calm that you've been searching for. When you join the Calm Code, you get instant access to a powerful and compassionate container that includes 8 90-minute live group coaching calls via Zoom, a private off-social media community hub to connect with your cohort between sessions, a companion book with journal prompts and exercises to deepen your integration, lifetime access to all session recordings so you can revisit the material at any time. And as a special bonus, you're going to get a guided hypnosis recording to support your nervous system. You can click the button below to get started now.